Child dies after being forgotten in father's car at police station. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. It's been a rough 48 hours for a St. Elizabeth police sergeant whose 1-year-old daughter died after she was left locked in a car at the Black River police station while he worked. The father, who is said to be a detective sergeant, told investigators that he should have taken the child to a daycare center but forgot and went straight to work at 8 o'clock on the day in question. Hours later, the child was found unconscious and rushed to the hospital where she was pronounced dead. The incident has left the cops at the Black River police station traumatized. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.